Hello my dear students, I hope you all are in good health. So students, in our previous video, we have started the chapter that is excretory system. So let us now revise what we have studied in our previous video first. First thing which we have studied in that video was the definition of excretion, and it is the process through which the harmful unwanted metabolic waste were removed from the body. Then we have also studied the metabolic waste also, and when these metabolic waste they are accumulated inside the body, then they prove to be poisonous and they may also lead to various health problems. So therefore it is very much essential that they should be removed as early as possible, and these products they are removed through excretion process. Then students, we have also studied about the excretory system and excretory organs. The process of the removal of these excretory substances through excretion process and the organs which help in the removal of these excretory substances, they are known as excretory organs, and together excretory organs they form excretory system. Then there is a need of excretion. Why it is essential that there should be excretion process in a body? If these substances they accumulate inside the body, they may lead to various health problems. Then they may also change the internal environment of the cell, and they may disturb the ionic water and salt balance in the cells. So today students, we are going to study about the waste products and excretory products. So let us know what are waste products. They are unusable or unwanted substances produced during various metabolic processes in the body of living beings. So what are these waste products? They are the unwanted, unusable. They are unwanted and unusable substances which are produced during various metabolic processes in the body of the living organisms. But the difference in waste and excretory product is that if these unwanted substances they are removed out from the body through the process of excretion and using excretory organs, then we may call these unwanted substances as excretory products. So what are waste products? They are the unusable or unwanted substances produced during various metabolic processes in the body of living beings, such as fecal matter that is removed through egestion process with the help of digestive system. That is also a waste or unwanted substance. But if these unwanted or unusable substances they are removed through the body, out from the body through excretion process using excretory organs or excretory system, then we may say these unwanted substances as excretory products. Then human excretory system. What are the organs that come under human excretory system? Let us know about that. First one is kidneys. So kidneys are there, which is a excretory organ. So what type of waste is removed through kidney? That is excretory product which is removed from the kidney is urine, and this urine it consists of water, urea, uric acid and excess of salts. Then the other one is sweat glands or skin. So skin it removes excess of water, salt, urea in the form of sweat. Then there are lungs also. They are also excretory organs. They remove carbon dioxide and water vapor through exhaled air. Then there is a liver which is also excretory organ, and it removes bile, pigments, toxins and urea. This urea is formed inside the liver cell by the combination of ammonia and carbon dioxide. Then it is transported to kidneys from liver by blood, and from there it is removed. So human excretory system consists of urinary system, which consists of kidneys. Then there is the skin or sweat glands, which removes the waste in the form of sweat, and this sweat contains excess of water, salt and urea. Then there are lungs that remove gaseous waste, and which includes carbon dioxide and water vapor. Then there is a liver. Liver releases bile pigments, toxins and urea as waste, and this urea is further transported to kidneys by blood, and from there it is removed out. So this is all for today. Take care everyone.